Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a fun little spin topic video we're going to do. I put a couple polls up on Facebook and a couple other spots and got the community vote. So, today's video is going to be about 5 things I hate about my XB. Let's go to it. So the first thing I hate about the XB is the sun visor. As you can see, it looks like your handed into sun visor, has a mirror on it, it's great. It doesn't slide though. My head sits approximately right here when I'm driving, so when the sun is hitting me here, this doesn't do anything and can't really use the sun visor to its full ability. So that's the first thing I hate about the XB. Already on the inside. The second thing I hate about the XB is there's no controls here. I know they already had this button and switch like before the XB was out, but they literally could have put something here. So I really dislike that it's just a blank panel. Number 3 is still in the interior, and that's the blank switches. Now, I don't have the fog lights, which I believe would take this slot here, but that still leaves an empty slot here. And I have yet to find one single XB that has all 3 slots filled. If you know what the third slot is for, could you let me know? And this one doesn't count because if you had the factory security system, the Scion security system, you'd actually have a little box here with a light that would flicker. Not many people actually have that, and that's actually what we're doing for our next project, is for the LEDs here. Alright, the next thing I hate about my XB, and all XBs in general, is how the factory hood sits. Since this hood is so flat, it takes all the rocks. And all these little dots you're seeing, that's all rocks. That's all like dimples from the rocks. This guy, that's a quick little dent. So rock hit here, goes up, and it makes a load to my window. That big old chip there. There's a crack all over here. That's another chip I just got. Another one right here. It's just with the aerodynamics of a refrigerator and the way the hood is bent or shaped, causes a lot of rocks to make love with your window. So this needs another window replacement yet again. Alright, and a small note, there is the antenna. They could have got away with the shark fin. I believe there was other models using the shark fin from Toyota and stuff like that, and Lexus. Simple, it would have cleaned up the look, and you don't have to worry about people stealing your antenna. So that's the thing that happens nowadays. And one bonus one. I don't really like this design on the seats. I'd rather have the leather seats that they got like in Australia, or just the solid colored fabric. That's just my 2 cents really on that. Alright, thanks guys for watching today's video. This video had to be done due to the lack of parts. I had a part I ordered, it was the wrong one. I just got it in the mail just a few minutes ago. So I'm going to go ahead and shoot the next video for next week. Again, thank you guys so much for your support. Like and follow here, subscribe if you haven't, and please leave your feedback. It really does help me expand and grow my knowledge and what you guys really think. Thanks guys, and have a great day. Deuces.